I was just told by a beauty expert that with just one apple, you can help soften the look of wrinkles and keep your skin smooth and firm without needing any expensive skincare products. Today, I'm going to share some natural anti-aging recipes made from apples. These methods are simple, gentle, and especially great for women over 50 who want to keep their skin looking fresh and youthful every day. Make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'll reveal a special tip that helps your skin absorb nutrients twice as effectively. Go ahead and prepare one fresh apple, and let's begin our journey to bring back a youthful, glowing complexion right at home. First, slice the apple into small pieces and remove the seeds so it's easier to work with. Apples are rich in vitamin C and polyphenols, two powerful antioxidants that help protect the skin from early signs of aging. The natural enzymes in apples also help brighten the complexion, reduce dullness, and soften dark spots, giving your skin a fresh, radiant look each day. After cutting the apple, blend it until smooth to create a soft mixture that allows the nutrients to absorb more easily into the skin. Another study from the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that apple peel extract can help improve skin elasticity and reduce dryness after 4 weeks of use. In other words, apples aren't just good for your overall health, they're also a scientifically recognized natural anti-aging food that helps the skin stay smooth, firm, and youthful day by day. Once you have your blended apple puree ready, let's move on to the natural skincare recipes made from this amazing fruit. The first recipe is a combination of apple and banana, suitable for all skin types, especially dry or mature skin. You'll need about half of a ripe banana. Use a fork to mash it until smooth. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium, which naturally help moisturize and soften the skin. Do you know someone who struggles with dry skin or early signs of aging? Feel free to share this video with them so they can also learn this simple natural skincare tip. Add 1 tablespoon of blended apple to the mashed banana. Then mix well until everything is fully combined. This blend of apple and banana helps moisturize the skin, brighten the complexion, soften fine lines, and soothe dryness or dullness. To use, apply the mixture evenly over your face, neck, and hands, the areas where wrinkles often appear. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients absorb deeply into the skin. Then rinse with warm water, followed by a quick splash of cool water to help tighten the pores. You'll notice softer, smoother, and more refreshed-looking skin right after the first use. When you repeat this mask 2 to 3 times a week, your skin will gradually feel firmer. Fine lines will appear softer, and your complexion will look more vibrant. The second recipe is a perfect blend of apple and egg white, a simple combination that helps the skin look smoother, tighter, and more youthful. All you need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of blended apple with 1 egg white. Egg white is rich in natural protein and collagen-like nutrients that help lift the skin, tighten the pores, and improve elasticity. Meanwhile, the vitamin C from the apple helps brighten the skin and soften the appearance of fine lines. Keep the egg yolk aside, we'll use it in a special skincare recipe later in the video. When combined, apple and egg white create a natural anti-aging mask that helps the skin look firmer, smoother, and more radiant after just a few uses. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until the mask dries. Then rinse with warm water, followed by cool water. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice firmer, brighter, and more refreshed skin, especially a visible improvement in elasticity. Now, let's move to the third recipe, a wonderful combination of apple and coconut oil, perfect for dry, tired, or aging skin. You only need 1 tablespoon of blended apple and 1 teaspoon of pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in natural fatty acids that deeply moisturize, soften the skin, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines, while the vitamin C in apples helps brighten and support natural skin renewal. When these two ingredients blend, they create a gentle restorative mask that leaves the skin smoother, brighter, and more radiant after just a few uses. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Use it 2-3 times a week, and you'll notice softer, healthier looking skin that feels nourished from within. For the fourth recipe, we'll combine apple with baking soda, a gentle, natural exfoliating formula that helps the skin look brighter, cleaner, and more even-toned. Prepare 1 tablespoon of blended apple and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda has deep cleansing properties that help remove buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells inside the pores. To use, apply the mixture onto damp skin and focus on areas like the nose, chin, and forehead, where blackheads often appear. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes with your fingertips, then leave it on for another 5 to 10 minutes so the ingredients can work effectively. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Using this method 1-2 times a week is enough. After a few applications, you'll notice your skin looking brighter, pores appearing more refined, and the surface becoming naturally smoother and fresher. Finally, we have the fifth recipe, a combination of apple and egg yolk, one of the natural blends that helps support elasticity and soften the look of fine lines. Prepare 1 tablespoon of blended apple and the egg yolk we saved earlier. Egg yolk is rich in protein, vitamins A and D, and natural fatty acids that help nourish the skin and support its renewal. When combined, these two ingredients create a natural anti-aging mask that helps the skin feel softer, smoother, and firmer after just a few uses. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, and the backs of your hands, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb. Then rinse with warm water followed by cool water to help lock in moisture. After about 2 weeks, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, healthier looking, and more elastic, a gentle, natural way to maintain a youthful glow right at home. And caring for your skin isn't just about the outside. It also needs nourishment from within. Eating 1 apple a day helps your body get more fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It supports gentle liver cleansing, improves digestion, and naturally brightens the skin. This is one of the simplest ways to maintain healthy, youthful-looking skin over time. No matter your age, your skin can stay fresh and radiant if you care for it the right way and stay consistent. Take just a few minutes each day to care for yourself. That's the real secret to a healthy glow from within. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.